Hello to all my dear students. I welcome all the students of class 4th in the second volume of chapter number 13, data handling. So in this I will be discussing with you the next topic of the chapter, that is bar graph. So students, earlier we have seen in volume 1 that how we are going to question and answer the pictographs, okay, how we will make this, and all the three uh, solutions of these questions were also done on the screen, as well as I have given the PDFs where you can see the solution of the questions. And this question number 3 is your homework. Okay, so please do it. As I have told you, I've explained you question number second. So similarly, in the same concept, question number 5, sorry, question number 3 is also there. So let's now study bar graph. Okay, so bar graph, students, what is bar graph? It is a rectangular line, okay, which doesn't have a picture, but it has uh, a numbering. It has a numbering which presents data. Okay, so drawing a, इसमें लिखा है students कि drawing a pictograph is time consuming and needs a aesthetic hand to draw clear and appealing pictures. ठीक है, हम पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करके समझा सकते हैं डेटा को, बट एज इन बार ग्राफ वी डोंट नीड टू हैव मच टाइम, okay, and we can do it very quickly. So it is saying pictograph is time consuming. So now we are going to study here bar graph. So new methods of presenting data were devised. So a bar graph is a representation of numerical data by a number of rectangular bars, okay, of uniform width. एक तरह की उसकी एकदम सेम विड्थ होती है, बस लेंथ में फ़र्क होता है. ओके, हम देखेंगे इसको कैसे होता है ये. सो विच मे बी ड्रॉन हॉरिजेंटली और वर्टिकली विथ इक्वल स्पेसिंग बिटवीन देम. ओके, इक्वल स्पेसिंग करके हम बनाते हैं उसको. बार ग्राफ स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक बार ग्राफ की एक पेज भी आती है ग्रीन कलर की, आपने देखी होगी, जिसमें स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस होते हैं. ओके, so it is written here, the length of each bar represents a given number. Okay, now let's see what is a bar graph. Example 1, the bar graph here given here shows the marks obtained by Deepak in the annual examination in different subjects. As you can see students, bar graph is used to represent data, as you know, so different types of data. So in this question, Deepak has got the scores as mentioned here in the annual examination. Your annual examination are also going to come. So if you're going to learn this chapter and you're going to revise all the concepts, you're going to obtain good marks. Okay, so here you can see this is a bar graph on the right side. Okay, so you can see the bar graph is going, and how it is made. It is made in square boxes. Okay, and complete, we have a square, complete square grid. On the left hand side we have numbering 0 to 10, 10 to 20, then like that, and written in descending order from up to down. And as you have seen here, this marks obtained, and then arrow is made, and then downward side is the name of subjects. Okay, name of subjects: math, science, social science, English and Hindi. So clearly you can see students, for suppose like in maths, Deepak has got 70. So up till this bar is showing, let me have a brush. Okay, this bar is showing you that it is up to 70. Again, up till here it is showing 50. Okay, and up till here it is 90. So like this students, this is a bar graph. So now you can see in which subject did Deepak score the highest, that is social science. So you can write social science here, and like that you have to answer the following questions. Okay, social science. Okay, social science. Lowest marks is in science, so you can write science. Okay, in the same way. What is his total score? 70 plus 50. Okay, let me do it. 70 plus 50, then यहाँ तक हुआ है तो 90 plus 90, then plus then 60, and then plus again 70. Okay, so quickly doing this, we can have here 9. Okay, 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 5 20. Okay, so 20 and 14, so 20 and 14 you have here 34, so all together 340 marks. तो 34 यहाँ लिख दिया, फिर 0 लगा दिया, 340 मार्क्स. तो उसको कितने में से 340 मिला है? How many subjects are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Out of 500 he has got 340 marks. With the red pen let me write 340 out of 500. Okay, this much marks Deepak has got. मैंने इसको कैसे प्लस किया आप देख लीजिए. 9 plus 6, 9 6 15 होता है. और हम जैसे हमने आपको सिखाया था स्टूडेंट कि हम किसी 10 का मल्टीपल बना लेते हैं तो जल्दी से सॉल्व हो जाता है. ओके, तो इसलिए हमने बना लिया उसको. सो 20 एंड देन 20 प्लस 14 कर दिया, ये 34 हो गया. सो 340 आउट ऑफ 500. ओके, देन लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव, व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन डज द बार ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट? क्या इंफॉर्मेशन रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? Question number 4, students, you can see here the number of air conditioners sold by a shopkeeper during the first 6 months of a year are given below. तो जनवरी में उसने 20 एयर कंडीशनर्स को सेल किया. तो हम सपोज कर लेते हैं जब इसके स्केल दिया है, हमको सिर्फ यहाँ पे सिर्फ बार ग्राफ को कलर करना है और डेटा को यहाँ पे बस फिल करना है. तो हम इसको जूम कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, और फिर हम इसको सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं हम. सो सबसे पहले जनवरी में 20 है. ओके, तो 1 स्केल इक्वल्स टू 10 ACs. यहाँ पे हम लिख लेते हैं, वी हैव हियर, सो लेट अस राइट हियर 10. ओके, इसको हम छोटा पहले कर लेते हैं, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम होगी. ओके, दैट्स ओके, बेटर. यस. Okay, so in one box we will write 10. Okay, so जनवरी में 20 है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक सिर्फ हम कलर करेंगे. आई होप ये समझ में आ गया होगा आपको, सिर्फ 20 तक. ओके, देन फरवरी, दिस लाइन विल बी देयर टिल 30. सो 30 तक में हमने यहाँ कलर कर दिया. 3 लाइन्स कवर हैं. ओके, देन 50, मार्च में 50, तो 50 तक की लाइन ये है टिल हियर, टिल दिस line. As you can see 5 squares are being covered. And April is 70. So again okay, I think this is also clear till 70. Okay, then again 70, then 80, थोड़ा सा ऊपर, ये इस तरह से. तो आप बुक में जूम करके स्टूडेंट्स प्रॉपर पूरा फुल ब्लॉक्स में कलर करेंगे. ओके, So student, that's all. That's the end of the chapter. You have here mental maths and worksheet also that we are going to do in revision part. Okay, so student, this is also is a homework only, and the lecture videos are over. This will be also your homework. Okay, so this is your work. Please finish this also in your books. I have given all the required PDFs in the description. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.